Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and cancel a Flixbus ticket. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a Flixbus ticket. So to cancel a Flixbus ticket, use the, of course, manage my booking feature. Now, first of all, what you need to do is go and book a ticket. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can do that. So you can firstly go and see that if you, of course, are having problems. But now let's say you have a ticket, of course, already booked. You want to cancel it for some reason. It's not important. You can go to tickets. So here we have in the bottom side, we have tickets. As you can see, it says I don't have any tickets. So you don't have any tickets because at the moment I don't have any. If you want to find your ticket by the booking number that you got on your email, you can go to the top right corner and click on the find booking. There you can put in your booking number and email address and then find the booking. If you have one, of course, it will pop out here. Now, when you see there and find your booking, click or tap the cancel booking or cancel trip, review the refund details and confirm the cancellation, and you'll receive a confirmation email once the cancellation is complete. So what happens after cancellation? If you cancel at least 15 minutes before departure, you're typically eligible for a full or partial refund from a voucher. Refund percentages generally depend on the cancellation timing. 30 days or more, it's a 100% voucher that you will get the voucher in the discount. 7 to 29 days, 70%. 2 to 6 days, 40%. Less than 2 days is 20% of chance. So those are, of course, your chances to get a refund, full refund or partial refund. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.